A dirty coil can be the hidden cause when a system underperforms, and you can prove it by showing measurable improvements after cleaning. Start by measuring the system under load before any cleaning so you have a clear baseline. Measure the compressor and fan motor amperage with a clamp meter while the system runs at normal conditions. A dirty coil often forces higher amperage on the compressor or fan because the system works harder to move heat. Record the temperature split across the evaporator or the condensing unit as appropriate, meaning the difference between the entering and leaving air temperatures, and note the refrigerant pressures and calculated superheat or subcooling using a temperature probe at the service port. Use the same test points and instrument placement after you clean the coil so the comparisons are valid. Expect to see lower motor amperage, a tighter temperature split that matches manufacturer specifications, and refrigerant property shifts toward expected superheat or subcooling ranges, indicating the heat transfer surface is restored. If safe and needed, document airflow improvement by simple methods like static pressure or a consistent hand test near return and supply registers, and photograph or log readings for your service record. Common mistakes include relying on subjective feel instead of numbers, which leads to guesswork. Always document pre- and post readings so you can show cause and effect. Another issue is inconsistent test conditions, such as ambient temperature or system load changing between tests. So perform before and after checks under similar weather and occupant conditions, or note the differences and correct for them. A third frequent error is cleaning without checking for underlying problems like restricted airflow or refrigerant imbalance that mimic coil dirt. If readings do not improve after cleaning, inspect filters, ductwork, fan operation, and refrigerant charge before declaring the coil fixed. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors for projects like coil cleaning and overall system troubleshooting. Our site also helps contractors find work and join a discussion community where pros and homeowners exchange practical tips and before and after measurable results.